guys, I'm Cool Kid Does Cool Stuff, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is just making brownies. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a future video. I do want to say I have not posted at all this year, and that is because there's a big project coming. I'm hoping it will come out by the end of the week. It might take a little longer, but it's going to be pretty cool. Yeah. I wonder if I can give you a hint. I'm trying to think if I can give you a hint of the thing that's going to come out. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a future video. Yep, this is a brownie video. I made brownies. I made this like 2 weeks ago and I just never filmed an intro or edited it. So I'm hoping to post this one by tonight and get some storage off my phone for the surprise so that I can edit that. And that should come out soon. Here's the video.